Oh my god, look at him. Joker is driving my car. I'm playing Joker, guys. Ooh, this is some kind of shotgun. Okay, let me see. This is some kind of Call of Duty, guys. Call of Joker, guys. Oh my god, that guy has money. Penguin. Hey.
Please don't shoot. Please don't shoot.
What the fuck, Penguin? You remember? You remember when I told you to buy me that pizza? Slice, you remember? And you told me that you want to eat everything? You know?
I don't deserve this.
You remember that? You ate everything? I wanted that pizza slice so bad. Look at you, fat boy. Nah, it's baby time.
Damn groveling cobblepot.
Yep. Penguin is down. This is awesome, man. I'm telling you guys, this game is fucking unbelievable, man. This game, I gotta ride them.
No.
Oh my god, Riddler. Hey.
You'll have to go through her to get to me.
Well, fuck you, both of you. I'm a Joker. I'm a Joker, man. Yeah.
Hostage Nigma. How very twee.
Oh, hostage. He doesn't know that Joker doesn't give a fuck for a hostage. Look at those money. Okay, I'm coming there.
I can't let you leave here alive.
Hey, Two-Face.
Not after what you just done.
Two-Face. What the fuck, man?
The comeback king, the clown prince of chaos, the jester of genocide. You can't
Hey,
stop
Two-Face.
me.
Remember when you backstabbed me? Bam! Oh, poor boy. Poor boy. Poor boy. I'm gonna shoot your pretty side, you know? Just because you fucking... It's me, Joker. Space.
Stop. Stop this.
Oh my god, kill the Gordon.
Please.
It's sleeping time.
Sleeping time, guys. Whoa. I am the baddest.
The Joker!
Oh my god, Joker is gonna devastate the whole city. We gotta stop him.
This may be my finest work.
Oh my god, somebody's speaking with me on the bad connection. I'm begging you. You have to think of your family, Bruce. Your father. What would he say if she saw like this? Please. Please stop this rampage.
Stop it, Joker!
Oh, Alfred, sweet.
Oh my god, he speaks like that, man. He doesn't even use the cell phone. He's good, man.
But don't you worry, your new master's coming home.
Now, Mr. Wayne,
I can do, guys.
I'm not going to kill you.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Set you free.
Oh my god.
Free
Oh my god, Scarecrow handles the Joker!
to tear itself apart.
I always thought the Joker is the main villain.
One you love, hunted
That's no possible way that
every scream.
Scarecrow No, that's not the Joker, that's a Batman, goddammit.
Batman.
Guys, you wanna see something cool? You wanna see something cool? You wanna see something cool? You wanna see?
Understand.
You wanna see who's the real?
Get ready for the encore.
Okay, I'm gonna show you something, guys. I wanna show you something cool, guys. Look at this shit.
Why aren't you scared?
He's not. Joker time. Oh my god, oh my god! I thought he's without makeup.
Hey, Bat!
Bats!
Still here?
Check out these guys. Check out these guys. Check it out, guys. Who do you think is that guy? Huh?
Bat!
Oh, bats. Oh, bats. Oh my god, this Call of Duty. Shit, he's coming after me. That's awesome, man. That's even better than movies, man. You know? You know? Scarecrow and Jack the Fear Toxin, Batman biggest fears because so that's why. Oh. You just wised me up. I didn't know that. Activate flashlight. Oh shit. Good time. Oh my god. Look at these guys. We never played like this. We should play Batman like this once, man. You see, guys? You see that link? Check it out. Oh, I should play some games like this, guys. I remember those kind of games which I played when I was a kid, you know. Huh? Roasted. Roasted.
Trying to tell me something that's I'm not dead. Never been so alive.
Oh my god, I'm dead. I was never so alive. I got you, man. I figured out what he wants, you know. He's like dead. Oh.
Wait a minute.
Oh my god.
This isn't my grave.
It's too small?
No, it's too small. It's all overgrown.
Oh my god. What's up, Julian, man? You just came at the end, man. Today was a nice stream.
I get it. They forgot about
Oh
me.
my god.
Very funny.
But that's not gonna happen.
But it's not.
Yep, that's cool, man.
You know.
That's nice.
Some jokes can be in bad
Oh,
taste.
he's not happy because he doesn't have... Oh my god, I miss the games like this, guys. What kind of game should I play like this, guys? You know, so it's story. It's not multiplayer, it's story, you know. I remember the last game I played was Call of Duty. But I didn't like it so much, man. I would like to play some horror games like this, you know. Oh, this is awesome. They said Alien Isolation is good. But there's no weapons, you're just hiding all the time. Ah!
That's the old boy.
I destroyed his ass.
Want to death me?
Oh my god, I scared my ass. My dad is gonna throw me out of the room, I'm telling you guys. You have PlayStation? I played that, God Crispy. That's the best game I ever played. Last of Us. Played that 2 years ago on PlayStation 3. That's the best game I ever played. Last of Us is the best. I played Outlast, guys. I streamed Outlast too. Oh shit. Oh my god. Somebody's crying. Hey, Batman's head is really messy. Look at that graphic, man. Who's crying? Oh, that's a girl. She's the only one crying. After me.
You call this a wake? Where is everybody? Oh, forgot to send the invite.
Oh, nobody came on his grave, man. Yes, I never played Amnesia, guys. Never. They say Last of Us is one of the best.
Harley, stop your sobbing and rustle me up away.
She's gonna be a boy, man. I'm telling you.
Harley!
Harley, give me a blowjob. Harley! She doesn't give a shit about me. Jokers, wake thanks to all the laugh. Wolfenstein.
I know what you're trying to do, Bat. You and your toxin. You think this
I can destroy everything. Okay. Just call me Remy. Thanks for the follow, my friend. Welcome to my society. Yo, just call me Remy. Remy, what's up? Oh, we gotta go here. I'm gonna blow all those. Damn. Let me through, guys. Hi, you just scared me. What the fuck? Man, I scared myself, man. Shit. I never played the latest Wolfenstein. Is it good? Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, I'm gonna destroy whole room. Somebody's... Eddie played all of them. I just didn't finish the first part, you know, but I play all of them. One of the best games too, man. I can't wait for the fourth part, you know. Okay.
You think that's scary, Bats?
When I get out of here, I'll write my name on blood.
Write my name in blood
Oh
on
shit, man.
every street corner. I'll carve it on every corpse.
Joker is kinda disappointed.
No one's forgetting me.
Okay, what now, man? Oh my god, I'm in room stuck. I'm in room stuck. Oh my god. Yeah, this is fun. Every goddamn game has to have like some freaky stuff. Ooh. It's kind of like outside right now. I love the sound. Oh shit! They just keep on coming. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna play all those games, guys. You know. You know. I hope I'm gonna play them all, you know. Costs, everything costs, guys. I had to buy this game, you know. You know. I put like 5,000 euros, guys, to my streaming channel. Can you imagine? That's why I'm like having, you know, up there, you know, that donation. So people can support me if they like what I do. God damn it, there's too many of them. More you shit, more they come. Oh! Oh, it scared my ass. Oh yeah, bro, Steve out there, swipe. Oh, god damn it, he hit me. Oh my god, I can't play scary games. What's up, Clement? Oh, Clement. Play Team Fortress 2 in Steam. Now I like to play games which are like kind of popular, so people can come in, you know, so people can come in. I don't want to play games which nobody watch, you know. It's kind of, you know, unless it's like really good game, you know. Oh my god, this is scary, guys. You know, you know. Yes, I think I would cry if it was. Okay, guys, how much does it cost? Amnesia. Shit, man, this is kind of fucking scary now. What the fuck? This game changed, like totally changed at the end. Space. Oh, you know. Oh my god. Joker is kind of scared. Look at him. Oh my god, Joker is scared. Shit. This is messed up, guys. This part is really fucked up. Yeah, this part is really fucked. 18 euros, oh my fuck. Oh my god, yeah. Joker is afraid to be forgotten.
Forgotten, Joker. Because of me.
Oh my god. Okay, okay, look at it.
I'm a bad man.
Oi, 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 oi. I don't wanna kill Joker. Oh shit. Now there's gonna be Hadouken from Batman. Joker is gonna die this time.
I'm a bad man, kill me.
Okay, okay. Oh, now I'm playing. Stop! Yes. El Sotero, pick. Oh my god. He's fucking getting that guy. Okay, let me wait. Ooh. Joker, you can't fucking fight Batman, man. Batman is too powerful for you. Oh. Okay, we gotta put him through those doors. I can see, man. Yeah. Ooh, a little bit. I'm gonna have fun with him. Blitz. Oh. Oh. Poor. Okay, I'm trying to pick that guy, man. Ooh. That was some Hadouken. Oh my god. I know he's like, no, please.
Goodbye, Joker.
Goodbye, Joker.
Don't leave me. He's crying like a bitch. Oh. Bye-bye, Joker. Long lost, forever forgotten. Oh my god, he has green eyes. He's kinda... because he's intoxicated, man. Perfect. Oh yeah, I gotta find that voice and put it in my sampler from the Street Fighter. Perfect. Yeah, epic. Oh my god. Batman defeated his biggest fear now.
Gotham.
Guys, look at this chicken pops.
Savior.
Or goosey boobs. I don't know. Oh my god.
No more hope.
No more hope.
No more Batman. One.
Shit. Nobody can beat the Batman!
I'm not afraid.
Possible.
It's possible. Now I'm gonna rip your ass.
Life is meaningless.
Oh shit. Big Glock on his head. Woo! Oh my god, that's Robin. No, Arknight. What? Arknight is helping him. Get him!
Get the motherfucker!
No, I skipped! Ah, I skipped! Fuck! Shit! I skipped, guys. I wanna see that shit. I wanna see that shit. No, I fucking pressed the button. God damn it, man. Ah, that was disappointment. Oh no. Okay, okay, we're getting back. We're getting back. We're getting back. Sorry. We're getting back. I'm not gonna touch nothing. I thought I gotta press to hit him. Sorry, good. Here you go.
Do you understand, Gotham?
We're back. We're back. We're back, guys. We'll get back. We'll get back.
No more hope. No more Batman.
Okay, we got. Oh my god, he put some poison to his head.
One.
Shit. Look at him, man.
I'm not afraid,
Crane. Not afraid.
Impossible.
Impossible. Oh my god.
Without fear, life is meaningless.
Oh my god, I can't even see. I'm so nervous, guys. Mini boner. Arknight in the help. Music is on. Scarecrow wants to kill Batman. Batman struck him.
You're not gonna defeat me. You can't handle the Batman.
No.
No! It's time to die. Put him to his misery. Yeah!
Woo!
Now you're gonna feel your...
Scared.
Who's scared now?
Oh my god. I thought I'm gonna fight the guy, you know. Ooh! Now he has fears like bats.
The bats are all over your face. You can't run over them. No, you can't. Oh! It's me, Batman. Scream and die.
That was a Hadouken from Gordon, guys. Nice. Yeah, he fears Batman, guys. Oh my god. What's with Robin? No, no, no. He has an armor. Yeah, he's gonna be okay. He's gonna be okay,
Look
guys.
after him, Jim.
Jim,
Look after them all.
look after them all.
You've been
Jim.
a good friend.
Guys, we finished the game, god damn it, finally. We finished the game. Awesome game, guys. This is one of the best games ever played in my life. I think this is, yeah, this is the best game I ever played the last year, guys. I'm telling you guys. The best game I played this year. Batman Arknight, guys. Yes, it did. I lost so many nerves. And I'm gonna put that last Joker part to the YouTube, yeah. That's not the
Best
true
gift
ending.
you've
No,
brought
there's
up
not
all
a
night.
true ending. What the fuck?
Maybe showed up.
So Bruce Wayne, huh?
Are you serious?
If it's all the same to you, I'll stick to Batman.
Coming from
Ah, he's scared.
You sound scared, Crane.
Get used to it.
Get used to it.
Oh my god. Yeah, lockdown.